coming up on, it'll be the third stop on your passport from east to west, is the Mother Road Market. Barbecue place. They should have ate here.
200 equals 300.
Oh, vinegar.
300 400.
Chicken and wool. That's awesome. Awesome. That's cool.
Ice cream.
That's cool. Alright, so here's your passport stamp. Absolutely love this place. You get a free tote bag in the visiting center, which you just pull in and make an immediate left, and that's how you get your passport stamp. But other than that, yeah, you just there's so many different restaurants, different types of foods and venues and stores. Like I said, we've seen so many things that we wanted to try there, but there's just no time. So unfortunately, stop here. Well worth the stop. Love it.